Okay, time to do my EnVision Math assignment. Okay, first I go and I log in to EnVision's Math and complete today's assignment. Topic 12, Lesson 3. Here I go. I'll click this link and it'll take me to the sign in page for EnVision's Math. Sign in. Make sure I have the right person in there with my username and password and hit sign in. Alright, I'm going to go right to my work. Oh, there we go. I have a video and I have a digital quick check. I'm always going to watch my video first because the video teaches me what I need to know. So here I go. Let's watch the video. Play.
Combine the minutes you counted. That will tell you the total amount of time the walk lasted. The walk lasted 30 minutes plus 20 minutes, or a total of 50 minutes.
Wow, that was such a good video. I learned so much. Now I'll go back to my Google Classroom and make sure I do the practice because my teachers gave me a practice today. If I just click here, it makes a copy of this practice. I'll just make sure that I got my name right. And the date. Yep. And then I'll scroll down. Oh, right here it's telling me how to do the practice. Okay. All right. So I'll scroll down. And look, I've got all the answers. I'm done. I just have to hit turn in because I finished my work. Then my teacher will know that I did all the work. Turn in. Woohoo! I'm done. Now I'm going to go back into EnVisions and make sure I do the quick check so my teacher can see that too. So let's hit exit and go back to my work. Oh, assignments. There we go. I got to do the digital quick check. Yay! Now I'm all done with my EnVisions Math.